Imagine your phone blowing up with notifications, your reel racing past 1 million views. What's behind that magic number? It isn't luck, it's strategy. Viral reels are the rocket fuel for Instagram growth. They're fast, fun, and impossible to ignore. But going viral starts long before you hit post. It begins with understanding what moves people and playing to that pulse. Step 1. Hook attention fast. In the first 2 seconds, spark curiosity or surprise. Start with a bold action, a punchy statement, or an eye-popping visual. Make viewers stop scrolling and stay for the ride. Step 2. Ride the wave of trends but with your twist. Study trending audio and filter effects in your niche. Use what's popular but never copy. Instead, remix trends with a touch of your personality. The Instagram algorithm loves fresh perspectives. Step 3. Value over vanity. Share quick tips, life hacks, bite-sized stories, or relatable moments. Make it worth viewers' time. Educate, inspire, or entertain. When someone feels something, they're more likely to share. Every share pushes your reel closer to that million-view milestone. Step 4. Keep energy high. Use upbeat music, snappy edits, and bold captions. Short sentences, quick cuts, and kinetic moves make your reel impossible to look away from. Vivid colors and big reactions keep things playful and engaging. Step 5. Engage. Ask questions, add polls, or encourage viewers to duet or remix your reel. Reply to comments and thank early fans. The more authentic your connection, the stronger your reach. Step 6. Optimize smartly. Use relevant hashtags, post when your audience is most active, and watch your analytics. Tweak your strategy with each reel and celebrate progress. Every 1,000 views counts. Viral reels aren't beyond reach. Start bold, stay creative, dare to stand out. Your next million is waiting. Hit record and let your story take flight.